In this tutorial, we will look at how to access Bash on Windows. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification icon to get notified when we release new videos. There are two ways to access Bash on Windows. You can either install Windows Subsystem for Linux and use the default Ubuntu shell, or install a third-party application such as MobaXterm. To install Windows Subsystem for Linux, go to the Start menu and type PowerShell. Click on PowerShell from the results, then type WSL-install. This will install Windows Subsystem for Linux. You then need to reboot your computer. After reboot, click on the Start menu and type Ubuntu. This will open the shell. You'd have to create a Unix username, and it can be the same as your Windows username or different. You then have to provide a password. Once this is done, you'll now be on the Bash prompt. Type bash -- version to verify the Bash version and to ensure you're actually on a Bash prompt. If, however, you can't install WSL, an alternative method for getting Bash on Windows is to use MobaXterm. Head over to Google and search for MobaXterm download. The free version should suffice. Click on the Download Now button. You can install either version, Portable or Installer Edition. Once the download is completed and the zip file has been extracted, double-click on the file to install it. Once install is done, you can access Bash by opening MobaXterm and clicking on Start Local Terminal. You can verify the Bash version as we did earlier by typing bash version. And that's it. We now have Bash installed on our Windows system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.